Ba't ako hindi?
Basa, Jared ko.
Harry and the Snow King.
Basta, madali lang yan. Bata yan. Huwag mo naman sa
Baby. When the snow same, you had to look for it. But Harry had waited long.
Ba't parang may nabasa na iba?
Anyway.
Enough!
Enough.
Penoy!
He went out with his
Spoon. And?
played.
Oh, that's the time po yung binabasa para alam mo na.
Natatawa ko sa iyo. He
Enough.
got out his tongue.
And caught?
And got a flake. It was
Just?
just right.
Ang galing.
Tree was some in the corner by the wood pile. There was a good bit by the hen house.
Ano po?
And if you were very careful, you could scoop it off the leaves.
Dali na ikaw magbasa. Parang grade 6.
Okay, ano talaga.
It took all morning to find Enoy.
Enough!
Enough.
Nakikinig si Amoy tao
No,
si
to
Amoy.
make the snow
Eko, Jared,
king.
wag. Yo, Jared.
Nan-Coled, what are you doing
Nan-cold.
here?
Kala,
Nan-Coled,
Eko, Jared, ano ba?
what you doing out here? Nothing, he said, but he was looking on the holy four red buttons.
Gulang na.
Ano pala